Dry, brittle hair can lead to frustrating bad hair days, but revitalizing it doesn't require special products. Simple adjustments to your hair care routine can make a significant difference. Limit heat styling and use lower settings to prevent damage, and consider air drying when possible. Opt for the right shampoo and conditioner free from silicones and sulfates, and wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week. For hydration, use deep conditioners or co-washing techniques, especially for curly hair. Protect your hair from environmental damage by applying UV sprays or wearing hats, and always brush gently from the ends to avoid breaking strands. Incorporating weekly deep conditioning treatments, homemade conditioning sprays, or hot oil treatments can also help restore moisture and health to your hair.